Hi class, welcome to week 5. Week 4 went pretty well. I know there were graduations and there were a lot of things that held a lot of you back from turning things in on time, but try and catch up in week 5 because week 6 everything has to be on time so I can get it corrected and in so you can get your grades. This week, the discussion is going to be about communicable and non-communicable diseases, which is basically contagious or non-contagious. And you're going to talk about the differences between those, give some descriptions, and maybe give some a particular couple of diseases, some symptoms. You can write it up, and you can talk to each other about different diseases in your discussion. So that should go well. It's usually an interesting week. Vaccines would be a good place, a good topic of discussion for this week because there's a lot of current events, a lot of current literature on vaccinations, no fighting. I think there's a lot to be said, and I especially would like someone to address the DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, and the whooping cough and tetanus there. So I think that needs, we could maybe talk about that. And then for your paper, it's not really going to be a paper, it's going to be a pamphlet. So basically, you're going to look at maybe one disease or one topic, and you're going to have health tips, and you're going to make a pamphlet. So you can, in Word, you can fold your paper in half and then fold it in half again. So you have 4 sections, or you can do it in 2 sections, one side and the other. You can use graphics and a lot of bullets. So that's what a lot of pamphlets are. They're bullets. They're colorful. This is your chance to be really creative and get away from APA, except if you do use other information at the very bottom, you do want to reference where you got that information. So you're going to identify your theme. Say you're going to do Lyme disease or something like that. You're going to give health promotion. Pamphlet is going to maybe say how you get Lyme disease, what it is, how you prevent it, and things to look out for in the future, or a picture of the bullseye rash or something like that. So your target's mostly going to be adults. You can add children in if your topic is is going to affect children. Be brief, be concise, put the facts in, the key points. You want 3 citations, put them at the bottom, and then use simple language, because mostly when you write pamphlets or you write anything for the public, you're not supposed to write too much more than at a 5th grade level. So you are doing bullets, and I think this is something that you can have fun with. So as always, if you have any questions, let me know. You can even, sometimes in your Word document, there's a little template for a brochure, so you might be able to do it that way. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great week, and congratulations to all of you who graduated this past weekend. I went to the rose ceremony, and I thought it was really, really beautiful. So enjoy your week. Thank you.